Next comes the Su-35's beating heart, its AL-41F1S turbofan engines.
Okay, that should secure the primary avionics board. Let's power it up and check the diagnostics. All right, check the connection on that primary display. HUD alignment looks good from here.
This new engine design is truly remarkable.
Indeed, the performance upgrades are significant.
From raw titanium in a factory floor to a thunderous machine carving through the skies.
But here's the truth. The Su-35's story isn't just about engineering.
The Su-35 isn't just a mother jet, blending old Soviet toughness with modern stealth and electronics.